Hi everyone, this is Umaran Mahapatra. Welcome you back to Easy Learning English. Today I am going to explain present perfect continuous. You are learning present perfect continuous means you are at a higher level of English. I think you find it useful. Ready? So let's get started. Present perfect continuous. Before going to present perfect continuous, we have to understand present perfect. Present perfect. I have played football. I have played football means the action already over. Okay. I have played. Action over. Now I am not playing. I have been playing football. I have been playing football means the action started in the past. Now the action is continuing. Okay. So I have been playing football is present perfect continuous. The another name for present perfect continuous is present perfect progressive. Both are same. Okay. How to use present perfect continuous? These are the subjects I, you, we, they, he, she, it. I have been playing. You have been playing. We have been playing. They have been playing. Then he has been playing, she has been playing, it has been playing. With other names, suppose Sam has been playing, Mira has been playing. So what is the structure of present perfect continuous? The structure for present perfect continuous: subject plus have been or has been plus verb ing. Verb ing. Verb ing means present participle. Okay, let's understand where you use present perfect continuous. We use present perfect continuous when an action started in the past and continuing still now. Now it is in the continuous process. There you use present perfect continuous. We have been working on this project for 6 months. We have been working on this project. That means the action on this project started in the past, continuing still now. Our expression should be in present perfect continuous. The sun has been rising slowly behind the clouds this morning. Have you ever seen when the sun is rising? You might have seen behind the clouds, behind the hills, the sun is coming up. Okay. So this morning, the sun has been rising very slowly, coming up behind the clouds, behind the hills. Our expression should be the sun has been rising slowly behind the clouds this morning. Then another way we use when an action started in the past and finished just now, there we use present perfect continuous. It has been raining since day before yesterday. It has been raining since day before yesterday. The action completed. Now it is not raining. Okay, day before yesterday it started. Our expression should be it has been raining since day before yesterday. We have been waiting you. She has been studying for all day. Okay, she has been studying. She started studying in the past, now completed. Lately, she is not studying. Our expression should be she has been studying for all day. For all day, since day before yesterday. Students often commit mistakes in using since and for. Remember, since is used for a point of time and for is used for a period of time. We should avoid some common mistakes. You know, there are two types of verbs: stative verbs, dynamic verbs. Dynamic verbs are action verbs, action words. We can use those verbs in ing form, but stative verbs cannot be used in ing form. Okay, let's see. I have been hearing the sound. Here is a osterative form. We cannot use it in ing form. The sentence is wrong. I have heard the sound. This is correct. Have you been understanding the lecture? This is how understanding is a stative form. So this is wrong. Have you understood the lecture? Because stative form cannot be used in ing form. The correct sentence, have you understood the lecture? She has been loving the painting. Loving is a stative form. She has loved the painting is the correct sentence. Okay? Let's understand how to construct its negative and interrogative sentences. Positive sentence. Subjects I, we, you, they. I have been learning. We have been learning. You have been learning. They have been learning. It's negative. When you change the sentence into negative, add not after first auxiliary. After have. Okay? I haven't been learning. Haven't. This is the contracted form. Or have not. I haven't been learning, or I have not been learning. We haven't been learning, or we have not been learning. You haven't been learning, or you have not been learning. They haven't been learning, or they have not been learning. How to change the sentence into interrogative? Bring the first auxiliary to the front. Have I been learning? Have we been learning? Have you been learning? Have they been learning? Okay? Then subjects he, she, it. He has been learning. Positive sentence. She has been learning. It has been learning. It's negative. Hasn't. Its pronunciation hasn't. He hasn't been learning, or he has not been learning. She hasn't been learning, or she has not been learning. It hasn't been learning, or it has not been learning. It's interrogative. Bring has to the front. Has he been learning? Has she been learning? Has it been learning? And you remember, when you frame questions using WH words, use the WH word at the beginning of the sentences. Okay? Only little bit changes. What have I been learning? Where have I been learning? Okay? How have we been learning? This is how we have to construct interrogative sentences using WH words. Let's learn how to form contractions and its pronunciation in present perfect continuous. I have been teaching. This is one positive sentence. I have been teaching. It's a contracted form. I've been teaching. Okay. First auxiliary will be added to subject. HA will be removed and VE will be added with one apostrophe. I've been teaching. Negative, I have not been teaching. Negative, not will be added to have. Okay. O will be removed. This O will be removed and apostrophe will come after N. Haven't. I haven't been teaching. This will be read. This will be spoken. I've been teaching. Haven't. I haven't been teaching. She has been singing. This is how has will be added with this she. Okay. SA will be removed and S will be added with one apostrophe. She's been singing. She has not been singing. She hasn't. She hasn't. Okay. This O will be removed and both will be close to each other. Hasn't been singing. They have been writing. They've been writing. They've been writing. They have not been writing. They haven't been writing. It has been working. It's been working. It has not been working. it hasn't been working. Contracted form is important to make our conversation very faster. Let's learn how to answer some questions in present perfect continuous. Have you been eating vegetables? If you answer yes, directly you cannot say yes. If you answer no, directly you cannot say no. There's something added. What is that? Yes, I have. If your answer is positive, don't add contraction. No contraction. If your answer is negative, no, I haven't. That must be in the contracted form. Next one, has she been dancing? If your answer yes, yes, she has. Yes, she has. No contraction. If your answer negative, no, she hasn't. Contracted form. Another question, have you been learning English? Obviously, your answer is yes, we have. Have you been teaching to anyone else? What is your answer? Write in the comment below. Let's know how to change one sentence into present perfect continuous and its negative and interrogative. Right? They watch television. This is in simple present. Change the sentence into present perfect continuous. What will be? They have been watching television. Have been watching. In the contracted form, they've been watching television. Negative, they haven't been watching television. It's interrogative, have they been watching television? Next, she cooks. She has been cooking. Contracted form, she's been cooking. She hasn't been cooking. Has she been cooking? He reads. He has been reading. Repeat after me. He has been reading. He's been reading. He hasn't been reading. Has he been reading? It works. It has been working. It's been working. It hasn't been working. Has it been working? Then avoid some common mistakes. Okay? You have been understanding. Here, understanding is one stative verb. Okay? So, stative verb cannot be in ing form. So, what will be? You have understood. As it will not be in the ing form, so change the tense. It will be what? Present perfect. You have understood. They are living here since last month. Since last month, point of time. Okay? Where you use since last month, that must be present perfect continuous. So it will be what? They have been living here since last month. We've been working here since 2 days. 2 days is a period of time. Before period of time, we use for 2 days. I hope you got the chapter clearly. Okay? Keep practicing. Feel proud of you. Go ahead. Thank you.